You are going to love the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.